Good day, everyone. This is Mark TV, and today we will answer this problem. Simplify this expression: 2025 squared plus 2026 multiplied by 2025 cubed plus 1 all over 2025 squared minus 2024 times 2025 cubed minus 1. Pause this video to give yourself a try, and when you're ready, keep on watching to reveal the answer. Okay, so sa unang tingin pa lang is makikita nating mahirap nang isolve to kasi it involves large numbers. Dito pa lang 2025 squared, no, isosolve po siya ng walang calculator, ano, which is napakahirap, no. Kaya naman gagamit tayo ng algebra para dito, no. So you notice that we have 2025 here, tapos 2026 at saka 2024. Ayan yung tatlong numbers na magkakalapit sa isa't isa. So ang gagawin po natin, guys, ano po, yung 2025, no, papalitan muna natin ng variable na x. Okay? Titignan natin kung ano mangyayari kapag pinilitan natin yung mga numbers sa variables. So, i-represent natin as x. So, kung ang x mo natin ay 2025, yung 2026 ay x plus 1 because 2025 plus 1. Okay? 2026 po yon. And para sa 2024, no? 2024, this is x minus 1. Okay? Kasi 2025 minus 1 is 2024. Kaya naman, no, itong part na to, 2025 squared magiging x squared, no? X squared plus itong 2026, no? Magiging x plus 1 na siya. So, plus x plus 1. Okay? Ayan po. Next naman po is yung 2025 cubed, no? 2025 cubed, magiging x cubed na siya, then plus 1. Okay? All over, no? All over 2025 squared, x squared po yon ang ibig sabihin, minus 2024. So, yung 2024 po ay x minus 1. Kailangan natin lagyan ng parenthesis, no? Then, x minus 1. Ayan. So that they belong to the same group. Okay? And then, para naman dito, 2025 cubed, that is x cubed po yun, no? Or x to the third power, minus 1. So, kung mapapansin natin, naging rational algebraic expression na. And this is meant to be simplified kasi ano na siya, rational expression na siya. Okay? So first, alisin muna natin itong inner grouping symbol dito so that kopyahin na lang natin, no, x squared plus x plus 1 multiplied by x cubed pala to, sorry, plus 1 all over x squared. Ito magiging negative x, ito magiging positive 1 kasi negative times negative 1 is positive 1. Okay, multiplied by x cubed minus 1. Ayan na, pwede na nating i-simplify to. So what we have to do is itong dalawa, pwede nating i-factor tong dalawa as the sum and difference of two cubes. So kopya muna natin yung factors na hindi talaga na-factor. We have x squared plus x plus 1. Tapos, para sa x cubed plus 1, since this is a sum of two cubes, bali ang factors doon ay, iusog po natin. Ayan, bali ang factors doon ay x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus x plus 1. So, ayan po yung factors ng x cubed plus 1. And then, sa baba naman, sa denominator, kopyahin natin yung unang factor, bali x squared minus x plus 1 multiplied by itong x cubed minus 1. Bale, i-factor out natin as well. Ano po? So, this is a difference of two cubes and its factors are x minus 1 at saka x squared plus x plus 1. Ayan na siya, okay? And then, saka natin i-cancel yung mga uh, common factors if there's any, no? And we can see that we have two pairs of common factors. We have x squared plus x plus 1 sa taas at sa baba. Kaya kailangan natin i-cancel. Okay? And then, yung isa naman, x squared minus x plus 1, i-cancel out natin as well. Okay? So, ano na lang po ang natira? X plus 1 all over x minus 1. Yun na lang po ang natitira, no? So, x plus 1 all over x minus 1. But remember, pinalitan natin yung 2025 sa x. Kaya, ibabalik natin sa 2025. So, magiging ano na siya, 2025 plus 1 all over 2025 minus 1. This is equal to 2026 over 2024. And since they are both divisible by 2, i-divide natin sa 2, magiging 1013 all over 1012. And this is the answer to this problem. So, ibig sabihin po, kapag sinimplify natin itong expression na ito, no? Kapag sinimplify natin itong expression na to, bale, ang lalabas po ay 1013 over 1012. Okay? This concludes the problem for this video and sana ay meron kayong natutunan dito. So, kung gusto niyo ng problems na kagaya nito, please do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my TikTok account. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day to all.